Welcome to Cat Rare Breeds. Many cat lovers know what a Siamese cat with blue eyes, American Shorthair, or tabby looks like. However, other breeds like a Scottish Fold or Minskin are much less common. These are a few of the rarest cat breeds in the world. Cat breeds so rare you may not have ever heard of them before. We generally hear people refer to their cat by color. How many times have you heard a friend say that their cat is orange when asked what kind of cat they have? However, these rare cat breeds are extremely distinctive and some don't have just one color to go by. The rare breed Bernina is glamorous as it sounds, silvery marking across a shiny coat resembling eyeliner across fabric. The Bernina cat was an accidental breed developed in England when a Persian cat was mixed. The Bernina is very rare in the United States but has been gaining popularity in Great Britain. The Korat breed of cat has left its mark in ancient history. These cats lived in monasteries in the Kingdom of Siam in Thailand in the 14th century. The Korat cats were considered good luck. They were reserved for only members of the Thai government or foreign representatives as an enormous honor to own. This breed is surprisingly low maintenance. Despite being long-haired, they are not prone to mating or clumping. These cats are also intelligent and playful. They probably love the Nina Ortoson cat